Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY, and we've just had this beautiful recycled card delivered. It has the most beautiful finish. It feels lovely. It comes in really pretty colours. So we've just designed this really elegant invitation for you to copy. It's so easy to make. If you visit our website, you'll see a full tutorial. You'll see design guides and all the sizes for you to cut down, and also a full product list. So we've pre-cut all the card. And we're just going to show you how we assemble this really lovely invitation. So we're just going to use double-sided tape. I'm using a tape runner because it's really quick. And we're running tape around the outside edges and along the middle of the second layer. And we're just pressing it on top of the largest layer, making sure the borders are nice and even. We've used the Storm recycled card with a blush recycled card because it's a really nice contrast of colour. And we're going to do the same with the third layer, and we're just going to use tape around the outside edges and across the middle, and we're going to press it into place, again making sure the borders are really even. And this gives a really nice layered effect to your invitation, which adds a real sense of quality, but not necessarily an awful lot of extra cost. So once we've done this, we're going to turn the invitation over, and we're going to run a line of tape along the centre. And we're going to stick ribbon on top of the tape. Just leave about 1.5 inches one side, and then trim about 1.5 inches off the second side. So you've got an even overlap both sides. We're just using the scissors to do that. So then turn the invitation back over and use double-sided tape just to run some small lines of tape to stick the ribbon into place on the front of the invitation. Again, make sure it's as straight as possible because wonky ribbon will just make the invitation look cheap. And then we're going to use the card panel, the printed card panel. I've printed on top of scrap, so just ignore the printing on the back. And again, just running lines of tape around the outside edges and across the middle and pressing into place on the front of the invitation. Again, make sure the borders are really even and press firmly into place, especially on top of the ribbon. Once you've done this, you've got the base of your invitation, and we're just going to finish it off with a row of Horizon Pearl stickers. And these just simply, you peel them off and stick them into place, but they had a really lovely, elegant finishing touch. They're also available in crystal, so you can just position them in place and then press them on firmly and they will stay on. They're really tough to move once they're on. So we've got a really elegant invitation that's literally taken minutes to make. Why not visit our website and find out how you can make them yourself? Our website is www.imaginediy.co.uk. Bye.